Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to combine multiple discounts in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, first thing we need to do is we need to click on this discounts option right here on the left sidebar. Now when you click on that, you should be able to see any discounts you have created, but if you haven't created anything, then you won't see anything right here but this create discount button. So head over and click on this create discount in order to create your discount. You have here these 4 options, so just choose which one is applicable for you. For me, I'll just choose this amount of product, and then in here it can be a discount code or automatic discount for you. So for example, for me, I'll just make a discount code, and then I will name it 10 off price here. Now I can put in here discount value, so since my discount code is 10 up, it can be 10% discount. Now in here, it can apply to specific collections or specific products depending on your preferences. So you can also put in your minimum purchase requirements and also customer eligibility right here. In here, you can also see the maximum discount uses, wherein you can limit the number of times this discount has been used in total, or you can also limit it to 1 use per customer. So I'll toggle this one right here. It totally depends on what you want to do. So in here, you can see this little window right here or little bar column wherein you can see the combinations. So this discount code can be combined with, it can be of product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts. So just tick the ones that you want to be set or you want to actually add or combine with your discount. So for me, I'll tick this with product discounts and order discounts right here. And you can also tick this with shipping discounts. That way, when a customer uses 3 vouchers or 3 codes discount, they can actually all apply that within one specific order. In here, you can choose the activation date and you can also set an end date if you want. Now for this, click on the save discount. And then in here, you should be able to also put in here the specific collections that you have. So let's put that specific collection right here. Then click on save again. And then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions or if you found this video helpful, so if you leave a like or subscribe, it will help reach more people. See you soon.